Blackboard serves as Blue Ridge's virtual classroom. The link to Blackboard can be found at the top of any page on the college's website. Your username can be found in your Bridge account. View the Bridge tutorial for specific instructions. Your username consists of your first initial, all or some of your last name, and 2 numeric digits. Your Blackboard password has been set to your 6-digit birthday. For example, a birthday of May 19, 1997 would be entered as 051997. If you ever forget your password, click the Forgot Password link. You can enter your college's email address, and a link to reset your password will be sent to that email account. You are now ready to log in. After the initial login, you can change your password to one of your choosing. To do so, select the second menu item from the list. Your name is listed here to indicate that this menu item serves as your profile manager. Once you have selected the profile editor, select Change Password next to the password field. Your password is case sensitive and cannot be blank. After updating your password, select Save. You can exit Blackboard by selecting Sign Out from the bottom of the menu list on the left side of your base navigation screen. If you're having trouble logging in, don't worry. Reach out to eLearning support and we'd be happy to help. Have a great semester.